Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can trade the candlestick psychology. So let's start. Okay, in this section guys, I want to trade on reversal and continuation candlestick, okay, on different 5 pair assets. So in binary option you have to have a setup plan anytime you want to trade. So you can't just open the chart and start predicting candles. At least you must have a setup plan that, okay, today I'm going to trade on reversal, I'm going to trade on continuation, okay. I'm going to place call option here because this is a reversal candlestick, reversal sign. You should expect buyer's entry. Next target on the list, go to place lower option. I place lower option because this is a reversal candlestick. After downtrend, you should expect seller's entry on the next candle. So you must have a setup plan anytime you want to trade. For me, my setup plan for this session is that I want to trade on reversal and continuation. So if I see any setup that suits my plan, then I will exist or I will wait for opportunity. Next target on the list, I'm going to place call option. I'm going to place call option here. I place call option because this is a reversal candlestick, also with strong rejection from sellers, from buyers. You expect buyers entry on the next candle. Okay. Let's check this, guys. So I'm going to place lower option here. I place lower option because this is a continuation sign. After the sellers entered, after this reversal sign, and this candle is a continuation sign of this downtrend. So it means the downtrend will continue at least to any next level. At least to this level here. Okay. Okay, so I'm not seeing any opportunity here. I'm not seeing any opportunity. Okay, but I will go with bias. So this candle is a continuation sign of this uptrend. We should expect bias entry. So that's why I place call option. Actually, the market is not good. We've seen so many strong rejection. So that's why I was doubting if the setup is correct, but I go with bias here because I can see uptrend, this uptrend. So definitely we should expect bias entry. So this candle is a continuation sign to this level, but this is seller's area. I think this is seller's area. Yes, it's at the seller's area. So bias will continue. So finally, I took 5 trades on reversal and continuation candlestick. Okay, I took 5 trades on reversal and continuation candlestick. The first trade I took here was because this is a reversal candlestick. This is also bias area. This is, you can see bias entry on this level. We can see a reversal on this same level. We can also see rejection for bias. And the trend is uptrend, so we should expect bias entry. That's why I place call option. I place lower option here because this is downtrend reversal candlestick with new low. We should expect seller's entry, so that's why I place lower option. And if you see this, we see the highs here, so it's not above, it's not the same size, it's not the same height with the previous high, so definitely we should expect seller's entry on the next candle. So this one, I think this is the last trade I took. I placed call option because uptrend, bias movement, sellers, so we should expect bias movement. Why the sellers are here? The sellers are here. There's a gap to the sellers area, so we should expect bias entry in the direction of this trend. So that's why I place call option. I place call option here because observation is very important in trading. When you are trading, if you observe, the trend is downtrend, sellers entered. Now we see the buyers entered, so the market is now ready to go up, forming the same pattern like this. And if you observe this volume indicator, is indicating the buyers are very powerful than sellers here, so we should expect buyers entry on the next candle. That's why I place call option. I place lower option here because the trend is down. We see some sellers entry. Now we see buyers. Again, sellers enter. Now this candle has a new low. Why the buyers, next buyers level is here. If you observe that this indicator is above this previous buyers weekend, so we should expect sellers entry in the direction of the trend. You can see the next level is here. Once the candle touch the level, that's why the buyers enter very strongly. Okay, so this is how you can place your trade on reversal and continuation. So if you want to study or if you want to master this setup, you have to master the candlestick and trading. Now this can help you. Okay, you have to know the candlestick I used to trade this pattern, this setup. So I took 5 trades, no OTM, no ATM, all ITM, with just continuation candlestick and reversal candlestick, also with analysis on level. So if you can place your trade like this, you also have good winning ratio. You can see that I'm not too fast, so I'm just patient, looking for the setup I want. So once I see the setup that suits my analysis, then I'll go for that. Okay, so if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.